Talk about conservative. Conservative. Say conservative. Okay. Conservative. We did not use the word. In fact, I'm gonna have to whisper it just because of my history. We did not say the word pregnant in our house. If someone was pregnant, Mom would say, "Your Aunt Tina," and then she would look around as if she would be arrested. Your Aunt Tina is with child. Right? Okay, yeah, right there. With child. That's what, with child. My dad put off giving me the birds and the bees talk. Okay, and when he did, it was like this. Here's what, you ready? I'm going to give you the talk. Son, men and women are different. That's all I want to say. Right there. That was the talk. That was the talk, okay? And I had been married 5 years when he gave it to me, okay? That was the talk. I do remember the talk at our house. At our house, we had a talk when you reached what we called the age of accountability, which was 12 years old, okay? 12 years old, the age of accountability. Mom and Dad would sit you down and have the underwear talk. Now, some of you will remember this in just a minute. The underwear talk. Dad would say, "Son, you're becoming a young man now. When you leave the house, wear clean underwear." Right there, right there. How many remember that talk? Wear clean underwear. Okay. Dad would say, "Because if you get into an accident," right there, right. Apparently, they didn't work on you at the hospital if you had dirty underwear. Okay, that's right. No, he just got to go out and tough it out on his own. Right there. Okay. Mom would say, "No, don't you worry about that. You wear clean underwear, because remember, we watched that movie, Thief in the Night? And when all the Christians was raptured, their clothes fell on the ground. And we don't want those left behind to think that Christians was nasty. That's why you wear clean underwear." I said, "Mom, I got a feeling if half of everybody disappears and their clothes are wadded up on the ground after a big trumpet sound, I got a feeling those people are going to have to worry about their own underwear." You know what I'm saying? Right? Can I get an amen? Okay?